do your arm raise rotated in bent, whatever you would think that would mean. It's got to be bent. It's got to be bent. It's got to be bent. There you go. Yep.
So I'm just comparing.
Yep.
This one sucks. Oh, I didn't tell you. I also have this like arm weakness here that I've had for about a year.
Just a bunch like this. All right, and then you can even bend it like that and pull it back too. Because right when you're like this, you can keep on. You're rotating in basically. So as you rotate in, you can kind of push the hand a little forward. There's no wrong answer here. But what happens when you have your arm bent? It hits more like here in the back of your spine. When you have it up, it's going more in the lower back. You can like just test the difference between a straight and a bent arm, and you're like, yeah, it does hit different parts of your back. You feel that?
Yeah, this feels like it's sort of a shorter leash.
Exactly. Yeah. So if you're ever trying to hit your mid back, bent arms do the most. So people who get this, have done it a while. It's not about 2 sets of 20. It's about doing a good number, right? Where you go, oh, that feels like a good amount. And then you can really just go over and retest the other side. Mm-hmm. Initially, people aren't in tune with their body to do that. So.
Okay, that's much better.
Good. That was a 60. What is it now?
It's 30.
30, cool. Why don't we do, instead of a set, why don't we just do this? Pull up, rotate in, back, rotate, and make sure your head goes to where it's comfortable, okay? Because your head may have to move a couple different positions because it might not be. I don't know why I like that arm. Oh yeah, that's why. I like this arm better. All right, relax. We'll do one more. Okay, let's go. Do it. Push your arm forward, pull back, lift up, pull back, internally rotate a little more, and back, and relax. That kind of bugs me. I like reps better, I think. Okay, good. Recheck your left. It was a 10.
5.
Good.